Good day, class! Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Marielle Aragon, your teacher of the day. So today, we will be exploring the matter and the states of matter. But before that, let us first energize ourselves and together, let us sing the solid, liquid, and gas song. Are you ready? Let's go!
Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Solid materials won't change shape unless a force is applied to them. Solids always take up the same amount of space. You can hold solids in your hands. Here's some examples. Trees are solid, bees are solid, bricks are solid, chicks are solid, rocks are solid, socks are solid. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Liquids can flow and be hard to hold. They fit the shape to the container. The volume of a liquid always stays the same, no matter what shape it is. Here's some examples. Water is liquid, soup is liquid, rain is liquid, milk is liquid, seas are liquid, oceans are liquid. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Gases are mostly invisible. They don't stay fixed in a shape. They can change their volume to fill up a space, be squashed and blown around. Here's some examples. Steam is gas, air is gas, oxygen is gas, helium is gas, and don't forget there's natural gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Everything there is comes in one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas.
Okay, now that we are done, what is the video all about? Yes, very good. It is about solid, liquid, and gas. But can you give me an example of solid as sung in the video? Very good, class. Trees, rocks, cheeks, and socks are solid. How about liquid? Nice one. Water, milk, seas, ocean are an example of liquid. How about the gas? Great job, class! Steam, air, oxygen, and helium are gases. But do not forget the natural gas that we produce. And now, let us proceed to the next activity. I have pictures here, and you are going to identify which and where is the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay? So, here, we can see that we have balloon, milk, and apple. So you are going to identify which is the solid, liquid, and gas. Good job, class! Balloon is a gas because it has air inside it. Milk is liquid because it is water consistency, but the glass is solid. And lastly, the apple. Why does apple solid, class? Very good, because it has hard consistency unlike the liquid. So let us now talk about the matter. So class, what do you mean by matter? Matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. For example, your dog. It has weight and volume. That is an example of a matter. Another example, bottle, table, the school, and many more. Everything that we see every day is a matter. And also, We are matter. We matter. So class, matter has volume and mass. There are many different substances or types of matter in the universe. Like the table, like the dog, like the bottle. Everything you can see and touch is made up of matter. Like your mom, like your dad, like your friends. They are an example of matter. Matter exists in three main forms. These are the solid, liquid, and gas. For example, water is an example of liquid. An apple. Very good. Apple is solid. How about the helium, class? Great job. Helium is an example of the gas. There are a lot of matter in the universe. What is matter again, class? Very good. It is anything that occupies space and has mass. Can you give me an example of matter in your area? Very good. Pencil is a matter. Paper is a matter. Anything you can see around you is an example of matter. So, matter has three states. As what we have sung earlier, what do you think is the three states of matter? Great job, class! The solid, liquid, and the gas. I can see you're participating to the lesson, but what are solid, liquid, and gas? So, there are three main states of matter. These are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid is relatively rigid, definite volume and shape. Atoms and molecules are attached to each other. So, let us start with solid. So solid have definite shape and volume. This means that the particles in a solid are tightly packed together and vibrate in a place. Some examples of solids are wood, metal, and ice. Next we have the liquid. The liquid has definite volume but able to change shape by flowing. So the atoms and molecules are loosely bonded. Liquids have definite volume, but they take the shape of their container. The particles in a liquid are still close together, but they can move around each other. So, observe the water and the milk. The particles inside it, they can move around each other. Finally, we have the gas. Gas has no definite volume or shape, and atoms and molecules move freely and spread apart from one another. So, gases have neither a definite volume nor a definite shape. The particles in a gas are spread out and move around freely. They fill the space of their container, like the liquid. The difference is that gas has no definite shape nor volume. They fill the space of their container. Example of gases are the air we breathe and the helium in balloons. So now let us explore the different states of matter found in our environment. First, the solid. As what we have observed, we have here the gold, the ice cube, the wood, the crayons, and the car, and the cell phone are an example of solid. Second is the gas. We have here the balloon, the helium, the smoke, the clouds, and also the steam that the boiling water has produced. So these are an example of the gas, and also the natural gases that we have. These are an example of gas. And lastly, the liquid. We have here the rain, the milk, the ocean, and also juice and water. So these are an example of liquid. Very good. So there are a lot of matter that we have encountered in our lives. So we just have to know them, to know what kind of matter they are. So, what are the three states of matter again? Very good, the solid, liquid, and the gas. So, now let us have your bring home. Let us have your activity. Using a clean paper, write the importance of the three states of matter in our everyday lives in 3 to 5 sentences. Great job, class! Now we are done with our lesson, and always remember that you matter. Thank you for your participation and see you in our next discussion. Bye and have a great day.